For the first time ever, a controlled fusion reaction has generated more energy than was put into the system, bringing us ever so closely to a Type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale. The controlled fusion reaction that generated more power than it was required to run is a major step forward to commercial fusion power. This achievement will get us closer to a source of unlimited clean power and an end to reliance on fossil fuels.